Guys, we're going to have a simple transistor test. First, make sure your board has no power connected to it, because you'll short circuit whatever transistor you touch. Come over to your multimeter. Look for this setting here. Diode mode. Okay? It's in the ohm setting, diode, which means it sends a small pulse through whatever component. And if you touch these two together, it's going to make a noise, see? Now if you hear that noise when you're testing a transistor, you know it's shorted out completely. Now let's look for transistors. Right over here, you're going to see these three. See these three? That's a transistor. And that's a transistor. Okay, you take your probes, and I'm going to try to do this with the phone in my hand. It's not going to be, just have to put it just right there, D. Right there. Hold it right there. There you go. I'll come over here, and you're going to go negative on one end and positive on the other. And if you don't get a reading there, switch them around, and boom. See the meter? Look to the meter, D. 739. Now move the black one over one peg. On. We'll move the red one over in this case. Nope. 734. So you know that one's good. And then we'll come over here and we'll do the same thing. 746. Bring this over. You're going to make sure they're pretty on 741. So we know it's good. Now we'll switch them around and test for a reverse polarity. 1, which is good. Means the circuit's closed, transistor's good. And you see that here too. Now sometimes you may get one on reverse that says 1200 or so. That's what we call a bipolar transistor. That's normal. What you're looking for is a number. The good number would be between, I would say, 620 and 740. Anything below that or above that, that transistor is no good. And like I said, if you see in a backwoods test, if you see something that is 1200, 1400, assume that's a bipolar transistor. Most likely a B772, and that's normal for it to do so.